Is just a new average condo way too small and a house is just far out of reach in terms of price? What about a condo that feels like a large townhouse that has 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and over 1,020 square feet and within your budget?
Well, we have the perfect home just for you. Welcome to our newest listing at 109 721 Ansgar Court. Built by award-winning Strand Development and located here in the family-friendly neighborhood of Burquitlam. Come on in and let's have a tour.
Step into this warm and contemporary home and you'll find yourself a stunning and functional kitchen. It's got full-size, top-of-the-line KitchenAid appliances, as well as a dishwasher that's integrated into the custom millwork. There's also soft closing cabinetry, a large countertop, and undermount lighting that brings in a touch of glamour to this kitchen, a fit for any culinary artist.
And look at the spacious dining room and living room area. You've got soaring high, 9-foot-high ceilings. Plus, look at these beautiful German laminate floor. And you have this corner unit with these large windows with so much natural light that's pouring through. This space is perfect for entertaining. And this floor plan is exceptional. You've got all 3 bedrooms tucked away in each corner, which provides privacy for everyone living here. And this is your master bedroom. Just imagine tucking away. This is your true oasis from the world. And this room has your own walk-in closet, which is a phenomenal size. But most importantly, this is your spa ensuite. You've got cooler fixtures, and look at this full-size LED mirror. Plus, you've got a frameless glass door with a standing shower. This is perfect for your rejuvenating ritual.
Residents of this complex have over 20,000 square feet of well thought out amenities, as well as indoor and outdoor dining spaces, private parks, courtyards, and gardens. You also have access to fitness facility, as well as spin class, games room, and a private movie theater. Perfect for your family to enjoy.
This property is perfectly situated minutes from the Evergreen Skytrain station, SFU, Lougheed Mall, and the Vancouver Golf Course. All the conveniences of restaurants, groceries, and even the new YMCA complex are all at your doorsteps. You'll be surrounded by popular parks such as Rocky Point, Mundy Park, and Como Lake.
If you want more information on this listing, feel free to contact any one of us, Ann Pham, Herman Wong, Denise Mai, or Jim Pham, and we're more than happy to set up a private viewing with you.